Good morning. My name is Nai Ruihua. I'm from China. The title for my research is Study on Dynamic Meaning Construction of Multimodal Discourses in BBC documentary Wild China. My supervisor is Dr. Hanita. The first part is overview of the research. The research background. BBC documentary as a typical multimodal text has many modes, such as verbal, visual, audio mode, and other semiotics. The purpose of the study to explore the dynamic meaning of construction of BBC documentary Wild China from multimodal discourse analysis to explore the relationship of different modes and how the visual mode and the verbal mode are combined to make meaning based on systematic functional linguistics and visual grammar. The research gap. Although the MDA approach has been used to analyze many kinds of discourses, for instance, posters, advertisements, newspapers, magazines, and so on, there is still little research on dynamic meaning construction of a documentary. The theoretical framework of the research. In the research, the three theories will be applied. The first one is Halliday's systematic functional linguistics, SFL, and also MDA is applied multimodal discourse analysis by Kress and Van Leeuwen, and Zhang Delu's theory of relations among different modes. The part 2 is research questions. And the first one is how does visual mode construct meaning in each episode of a BBC documentary? Number 2, how does verbal mode construct meaning in each episode of a BBC documentary? Number 3, what is the relationship between verbal modality and visual modality? And the third part is research methodology. In order to answer the three research questions, qualitative method will be used in this study. To analyze each selected episode from three aspects: visual mode, the Kress Van Leeuwen's visual grammar, and the verbal modes use Halliday's functional grammar, and the relationship between these two modes by using Zhang Delu's theory. And number 4, the fourth part, data analysis. A data source is the documentary Wild China. It is a large-scale TV documentary to show China's wild animals, plants, and natural and cultural landscapes and lifestyle. It was co-produced by CCTV and BBC. There are 6 episodes. The data collection. I will get images from the episodes of the documentary through screenshot by the software Tencent Player. The last part, conclusion. I will talk about the significance of the research. First is the theoretical significance. It testifies the feasibility of analyzing filmic discourse in MDA, and it also broadens the research scope of documentary discourse study, since most studies on documentary discourse are from media, rhetoric, and aesthetic perspectives, rather than linguistic perspective. Practical significance. It provides a new angle for the audience to appreciate this documentary. It contributes to spread Chinese traditional culture, and it provides publicity filmmakers with some available suggestions on how to make the most of visual and verbal modes to publicize Chinese culture and the translation of documentary materials in a more efficient way. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.